Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show latest collection. In this video I'm going to show finger ring only 13,000 plus. Very attractive this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. It's just for your imaging. It's really fantastic this design. Only 1 rupee and this price only 10,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful because it's a very lovely design. Only 1 rupee and this price 8,000 plus. Very fantastic, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is very fantastic 916 22 karat hallmark finger ring. Only 7,000 plus 7,100 plus. Very attractive this design. If you want, please screenshot. Next design is more beautiful because it's very fantastic. Wow, so cute this design. Only 3 Anna and this price is only 22,000 plus. Next design, just wow, so cute. Only 8,000 plus 916 22 karat. Very attractive, very gorgeous this collection. If you want, please screenshot this design. Next design is very cute but very fantastic, very small design. 916 22 Dubai earring. Only 15,000 plus. Very attractive this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very simple this design. Next design is more beautiful because it's really amazing. 916 22 Dubai earring, Dubai finger ring. It's only 3 Anna and this price 22,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next design is more beautiful because it's very fantastic. 2 Anna 3 roti. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very cute and very fantastic this design. Next design is very simple but very attractive this design. Only 22 karat Dubai finger ring, 12,000 plus. Very attractive this design, very cute but